Hi guys, as you know, memecoins are very popular now in the world of cryptocurrencies, and recently they started their second life on the Binance Smart Chain. Today I will tell you how people make money on this. This is all for informational purposes. How do people create their coins? You're about to find out. New tokens are created every second. Every minute people lose and make money on it. But developers can make money without any risks, and they are not afraid of whether the coin will go down. In these examples, you can see how people create tokens, and then they just take all the liquidity. First, we need to go to Deck Screener and see what's trending right now and figure out what we need to create. Next, we need to create the token itself with minimal effort. This can be done on the Coin Factory website. Here you can create tokens in all EVM networks as well as on Solana. But now I am showing you only Binance Smart Chain. After you have entered the site, select the desired network and write the ticker of our coin and token symbol. They can be the same, but most often token name is a full name and symbol is a shortened name, ticker. Then we write supply. In 99% of cases, there's 1 billion, and just create a token, after which it will come to our wallet, approximately the price of creation 0.04 BNB. Next, we need to add liquidity. We need the pancakeswap site. Go in, connect your wallet, and go to Earn and then Liquidity. Here we select My Positions and add liquidity. First, you have to choose a pair. First comes the BNB token and then your created token. You will need to select it in the list of tokens. After that, add liquidity. On the site will be written the starting price. I recommend adding from 1 to 5 BNB paired with 30-50% of your tokens. Done. I show you an example of the last token. I added 1 BNB liquidity. After that, there were several purchases totaling $200. And this is just the beginning.